Una de las cosas que más me gusta de este país es la modernidad. Miren lo que es esto. Pantallas por todos lados. Es hermoso. Hermoso, la verdad. Espectacular. Bueno, nada, vine a pasar un poco por acá por el centro.
Video yang baru kita tengok tu adalah salah satu contoh reaksi kagum Mak Saleh bila tengok kecanggihan Malaysia lepas dari Indonesia. Bukan Mak Saleh tu je, Mak Saleh lain pun rasa benda yang sama bila datang melawat Malaysia. Ramai yang rasa Malaysia ni dah macam negara Eropah. Perkembangan negara kita dalam 20 tahun ni memang menunjukkan kemajuan yang ketara. Dulu Malaysia jarang gila dipilih jadi destinasi percutian oleh orang barat. Tapi sekarang lain dah ceritanya. Ramai orang barat lebih memilih Malaysia berbanding negara lain dekat Asia Tenggara. Lagi-lagi Indonesia.
This is the best city I've ever been to, Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. I'm going to say it. And I'm saying city only because I've not experienced all the country, but this place is amazing. It's as though they've took all the best bits of Bangkok and Ho Chi Minh City from neighbouring countries and created this super city. It's so calm, it's so relaxed. Like there's more cars than there are bikes, unlike the other cities in Southeast Asia. You can cross the road easy as well. The food's amazing, it's cheap. The accommodation, what you get for your money is sensational. If you want high-end shopping, you've got that here. If you want like fake shopping from your markets, your indoors, outdoor markets, you've got absolutely everything here. You've got iconic buildings, as you can see behind me. You've got classic buildings, you've got the history. There's day trips to islands, you know, other places. It's absolutely fantastic. I don't understand how it's the most overlooked city when travelling Southeast Asia, apparently. It's phenomenal. It really is amazing.
I'm here in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. That's crazy. There's a lot of big buildings here. Holy freaking schmanoli. What do you even do? Just look at all the buildings. So many buildings. Ah!
Ramai orang barat cakap Malaysia ni dah macam negara Eropah. Bukan setakat dari bangunan besar dan pengangkutan awam yang lebih canggih, tapi dari segi sistem perkhidmatan awam pun negara kita dah jauh lebih maju berbanding negara jiran. Contohnya je pasal parking kereta. Kat Indonesia ada panggilan tukang parkir, iaitu orang yang jaga dan urus tempat letak motosikal dan kereta. Masalahnya, ada sebahagian yang beroperasi secara tidak rasmi, jadi kadang-kadang berlaku kes pelancong asing dikenakan cas yang tak sepatutnya. Salah satu contohnya pernah dialami oleh Mak Saleh ni.
So today we were scammed by the parking guys on the Double Six Beach. And what was the case? It's just quite simple. They asked, it was me and my wife on a moped, on a scooter, and they asked 20,000 rupees. First we paid, then we asked a local what's the real price. He said 5,000, but still we don't understand. Probably for the bike only. So we went back with that guy to those parking guys on the entrance, and we received all the money back. So just for the, yeah, and thanks for my wife.
I approached with a bitchy face and said, money back, bitch.
Yeah.
Kalau nak banding sistem parking dekat Indonesia dengan Malaysia, bezanya macam langit dan bumi. Sistem parking dekat negara kita jauh lagi tersusun. Semuanya diatur melalui sistem yang lagi canggih dan peraturan dia pun lagi jelas. Tak ada orang yang tiba-tiba minta duit untuk bayaran parking secara illegal. Bukan nak memburukkan negara lain, tapi memang sistem parking dekat sana dah ketinggalan puluhan tahun berbanding Malaysia. Mestilah kita patut bangga dengan semua pencapaian yang ada kat negara kita. Kita boleh tengok, benda kecil macam ni je dah buktikan negara kita jauh lebih unggul berbanding negara jiran. Buktikan negara kita memang dah maju dengan pesat sampai boleh saing dengan negara Eropah.